Good morning, everyone. I am Manju Singh, and today again I have come with another video of class 10th geography chapter 4, which is agriculture. Today we are going to study about horticulture. Means today's topic is horticulture. Horticulture is growing of fruits and vegetables. Means these are also our food crops, and this is the last topic of major food crops, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to study about non-food crops like rubber, what is called fiber crops, cotton, hemp, jute, all this we are going to study. But today we'll study about the fruits and vegetables grown in our country. See, first thing is that Tropic of Cancer, which is a latitude at 23.5 degrees north, and it divides our country almost in two equal parts. So the places which are above the Tropic of Cancer, they lie in temperate region. Means the places which are above the Tropic of Cancer, they face moderate type of climate. Means neither very hot nor very cold. And the places which are below the Tropic of Cancer, means below 23.5 degrees north, they face tropical type of climate. Means very hot and very cold. Means extreme type of climate is felt there. And at the same time, every day hot and humid temperature is present. So if a country is having temperate climate also and tropical climate also, so it is quite obvious that it will produce tropical type of fruits, vegetables and all other crops, and at the same time temperate type of fruits, vegetables and other crops. So it happens in case of our country India. We produce both temperate type of fruits and vegetables as well as tropical type of fruits and vegetables. Some of the fruits and vegetables grown in our country are apples of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, pineapples of Meghalaya, guavas, lychees of UP and Bihar, cauliflower, cabbage. These are fruits, and these are cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, radish, lemon, etc. These all are produced in our country. And you might have been seeing that there's the production of these fruits and vegetables differ in different seasons. Now India is the second largest producer of both fruits and vegetables after China. Means China grows largest amount of fruits and vegetables. Means in world it comes first. It stands at first place in production of fruits and vegetables, and second number is of India. Means we also grow a large number of fruits and vegetables, but our number is second. Means we are after China. So this was the end of major food crops. Now will study from tomorrow onwards about other crops which are not food crops. Now I am giving you one project work. You will have to make a chart, and then you will have to show which crops, the crops that you have studied, which crops need how much temperature, how much rainfall, and which places they grow. Now I am showing you how to make the chart, and there are some questions also which you will have to do the answer. You will have to write the answer. See here, for example, I have given, you will write crop. Means here if you are writing rice, then how much rainfall rice is needed, what temperature it needs, then the places where rice is grown. So you will have to name the crops which you will have to mention here is rice, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, tea and coffee. Then there are some questions which I have given to answer you. These are very short type of questions. Very short means either in one word or one sentence you will have to write. What is horticulture? You take a screenshot of this page. What is horticulture? Which state is the leading producer, means largest producer of tea? Which country is the largest consumer of pulses? Name tools associated with primitive subsistence farming. And what is the meaning of plantation? So you take a screenshot of this, and then all the questions which I have given you, all you have studied. So you can answer, and answer very short. Then again I'll give you some other work tomorrow, and from tomorrow onwards I am going to say that we are going to study about non-food crops like rubber, hemp, jute, cotton, etc. Thank you. See you in next video.